Alright, good morning. Gonna look at the Diesel Pup again. Just right now I'm got the clear fuel lines installed, removed the inline fuel filter I had. So really I'm just checking for any air leaks, anything like that. It's kind of been sitting for about 4 hours since I last started it. It all looks good. I mean, not seeing anything. There's fuel never the turn lines still. Right, so I don't see any air bubbles in these lines going to the fuel filter or to the injection pump. So I'm gonna give it a start. It's been sitting about 4 hours. So this will be another cold start, probably. And to do this, I'll cycle the plugs a couple times just because I know it's not gonna start very easily. So I heard the relay go off. Kind of just let it cool here. If I turn the key again, the relay would go off after just a few seconds. So I kind of let it go so it'll do a longer cycle again. It seems to help. I don't know. There was the relay going off. I'm overriding it, holding it to start with the clutch out. So finally got the fire up. There's all that smoke coming out. That wasn't too bad this time, but yeah, let's go take a look. shut her off, I was noticing some air bubbles coming through right here. You can see them kind of piling up there every now and then. I don't know if that's what's causing an issue. When I did start it before, I didn't see those air bubbles. They kind of started when it was running. I think maybe it could be coming from the filter housing. There's an O-ring or something in there. I did just replace this recently. Or I've replaced the fuel filter. When I removed the inline filter, I did notice right as soon as I removed it, or reconnected it after I removed it. So I removed the inline filter and connected this hose straight into here. A little bit of diesel just dripped right out of this primer bulb area. So I don't know if it's got a air leak or if that's adding to my issues or not. Let me know.